Ryan here again from Evebot South Africa. This is video 3, and in today's video we are going to show you how to add images to the tablet for printing. Now there's several ways to do this, but before I go ahead and show you that, I want to remind you that the Evebot coffee printer is an excellent marketing tool for your establishment. Think of company logos, think of lunch specials or personalized birthday messages to your customers. The options are almost endless of what you can print from the Evebot coffee printer on your product of choice. Right, so for uploading images, the first way we're going to look at is by use of the webcam. Again, please remember the webcam is not included with your initial order. You may order the webcam as an optional extra. The webcam is great for selfies, which we find customers really enjoy. So you really want to consider getting a USB webcam, which you simply plug in the back of the Evebot coffee printer. Right, so let's take a look at a selfie. First thing we do is to print the camera icon on the tablet. You'll then see the webcam is activated. We obviously need to align our camera to make sure we're capturing the person's face in the webcam. We then can strike a pose and take an image. Simple as that. Your selfie will now be uploaded to the tablet and be ready for printing. That's step number 1, or the first option. So that's the first option. The second option is to add an image from your smart device. So obviously a smartphone, a tablet, whatever you need that may have preloaded images on it, an image you can download from the web, or you can even take a selfie with your own phone. So to add with the smart device, you need to look at the QR code on the tablet. To do that, we press the settings. Immediately you'll see the QR code come up on the tablet. Now most smartphones these days have a QR scanner. If you don't, you can simply download one, very easy. So we activate our QR scanner on our phone. We physically scan the QR code. Once that is scanned, we can then click open in browser. We upload an image from our phone. Once it's uploaded, you will be able to tweak your image slightly. By that I mean you might need to pinch it to get it to the right size, or rotate it slightly to fit into the circle on the app. Once done, simply click upload and your image will be sent again to the tablet for printing. If you do not have a QR scanner, but you do have a smart device, you can also navigate to the URL, which you will find above the QR code on the tablet. Once navigated to the URL, you'll capture the device ID, which you find on top here. That'll then send the images to this particular machine. So the steps there will be exactly the same as using the QR app to edit your image and then upload it to the tablet. An important point I want to remember is the quality of images. We will look at printing in the next video, but I want to mention images that are sent to the tablet for printing need to be in a really good resolution. For company logos, for example, the writing needs to be preferably black on a white background. We find that that works best when printing with the Evebot printer. If you have a company logo and you're not sure how to edit it to best print on your Evebot coffee printer, feel free to email it to us. We'll edit it for you and email it back to you. You'll see the contact details on the bottom of this video, so you can go ahead and use that to send those images to us. The next thing I want to show you is you may want to clean up your photo library on your tablet, or delete a photo because you weren't too happy with what you sent. You'll go back to the gallery, simply long press the image and press delete. There it is, it's gone. Why don't you send us your images that you'd like to have added to the photo library? When you navigate to the URL, you'll also see some generic images in a library on the Evebot's website that you can print from. Some establishments like to use these on an average day where you might want to print some fun things for a child, like a penguin or a giraffe. Whatever you think of, you might find it in the generic library. These are also options you can select from. So if you have ideas you would like to see in that generic library, why don't you go ahead and send that to us. Keep watching for the next video to see how we print with the Evebot coffee printer. Thanks for watching.